Forgot to turn my light on again. There we go. Turning a light on. Hopefully this is bright enough to keep things going here. Alright, I'm back on my Screencast-Matic. Again, a little shout out to these guys. I'm having some fun with this. Now, we were talking about this fennec pharmaceutical, and I'm going to go back to the opening. So fennec has opened, and we have, we got to update this. What do we got to do? Because that's not the right pricing. Let's see what it does. What's our opening pricing? See, this is where I always find it sort of previous close. Oh yeah, okay. So let's just move this screen over here a little bit. Whatever. You guys sold during after hours at $2.94. Now you open in the morning at $2.70. There again is a volume of 396. Okay, 396. That's like 400. You're going to multiply 400 times $3, let's say. That's $1,200. I still think somebody's trying to manipulate the price downwards. It's strange volume too. Like, why leave out the 4? Why 396? Any case, let's have a look at the single day. Will it let me do it? Probably not. Chart unavailable. Yeah. No big surprise there. It's so it's a little frustration. You'll see this over the. These are not prices you can touch. They are not. Somebody's bought and sold after hours. And the ask right now is $2.93. The bid is $2.70. We'll see if it gets filled. And it could. I've noticed it yesterday and other days. It may stay like this. So the offer is open, but nobody's actually. The deal's not completed, and it may take the next 5-6 hours to complete this deal. We'll see. All right. Enough of that. I believe we were here when I got cut off. I've got a time limit on how long I can be on this. So we got 15 minutes. We've already done 3 minutes. Okay, let's move on. Scale. Okay, so this is a pharmaceutical. This is part 2 of this. High risk. And I'll just quickly go through this. So the estimated market risk, look at that, it's 56. The expected return is very low, and the risk-adjusted return, so based on the monthly moving averages, it's performing at about 9% of its potential. Yeah, okay. I would say this is a short-term stock. It's not a buy and a hold. Now my internet is slowing me down here. Let's just close that tab. And now, okay, I'll just leave it. Risk analysis. Come on, let's see risk analysis. Definitely hoping for faster with this. Oh, slow internet. Extremely volatile. Okay, so the market the 30-day market risk is extremely volatile. The chance of distress in the next 24 months is below average. And the 30-day economic sensitivity is hypersensitive to market. It's volatile given a 1-month investment horizon. I'm what I would call a midterm investor. I'm not a day trader, so I'd be holding on to this. Sometimes for weeks, sometimes for months. The fennec pharmaceutical secures Sharpe ratio or efficiency of 0.01363, which denotes, so in the sensitivity to a bull market, look at that, and to a bear market. So this is going to go up fast, go down fast. And the I'm trying to remember what I all looked at here. More or less, sometimes these things aren't as helpful as you'd like. The market trend parallel. And well, let's just go to the forecast in this one. Otherwise we're just going to be at these. The site is the macroaxis.com invest technical analysis /frx.to. So we're really predicting a sharp rise. I would like to know why. So it's a simplistic model. This show it's unlikely you'll want to use this model directly. No kidding. So, what was that? So downside to 29 cents, upside to 16.69. I wonder if this is fennec themselves. If this upside is correct, I can click on it. Let's see what that means. So if this upside is correct, what does that all mean? I really don't know. So fennec probable target price tool provides mechanism to make assumptions about the upside and downside potential of fennec during a given time horizon. The only thing I can say with their target pricing is I have a lot of confidence in the CEO. Based on normal probability distribution, the odds of fennec pharmaceutical to make over $16.69 is now close to 0%. The probability of fennec pharmaceutical is stable between the price of $2.94 and $16 at the end of a 30-day period is roughly 2.6%. See, I don't know what they mean. Like, why would they put this so high? So I guess they would be negative on it. I'm not sure. If they were to be coming out with their product, maybe that's why they're going up so fast. Anyways, moving on to something else here. Oh, there is. We're going back, and we're going back to the CEO. This is our Rusty guy, Mr. Ray Koff, has served as director of Fennec Pharmaceuticals and executive officer since July 2009. He's a co-founder, portfolio manager of, and I did see some stuff on that portfolio management stuff that he's done, and where there was some anger towards him, but I think he looks like he's done a very good job. So this sort of tells me that he is a financial analyst right here in the natural resources, and he's graduated. These are things we know, but in any case, it's another place to look them up, look up the different people in the company. So we may be switching to this guy next video. Finally, because we're getting back up, getting right up there to a long video. This is, again, Rusty. He's on the board of the West Dome Gold Mines, the Armalino Gold Mines, the Fennec, and he's the portfolio manager for BKF Asset Management Company. He's also served on the board at Wild Acres Metals. So I would say this guy, one of the curiosities is why he's with Fennec when primarily he is into mining. Having said that, I am quite satisfied with this guy. Looks like he's been doing all this stuff. He's been with Fennec the longest. Not the very longest, but he's certainly been with them a long time. And he doesn't own any of Fennec, but he has equities in the some gold corporations. Personal network. Okay. We can study where these guys are coming and going from, right? By looking at their network of people. In any case, this is part of what I do. When I look up a stock, I am really looking deeply into them. I don't distrust their spreadsheets and their balance sheets. And in fact, with companies like this, there is no balance sheet to really look at. There's a cost analysis, but they're really in the cost stage. They're not in the income making stage. So I have to look at more detailed things, who they hang around with, and what is the potential of them putting this on the market quickly. Anyways, this is part 2 of Fennec and how I will go into details about the company. We can have a quick look and just go back to this. Come on. My computer is slowing down here. What has happened with Fennec in the markets this morning? It's now had 2 15-minute periods to trade in. Seems like it's updated every 15 minutes. And Fennec is looking like no trade has happened.